We have another example on the board. The question is, which formula we're supposed to use first? We're going to use the formula for the derivative of a sum, even if you see the difference over here. So, what we're supposed to do over here? Please realize that A and C are constants, okay? So keep this in mind for later on. And we're supposed to simply write derivative of y over dx is equal the derivative of my function a x to the fifth minus 5c x to the third. Okay? So this is equal the derivative of a x to the fifth over dx minus derivative of 5c x cubed over dx. Now we're supposed to use the formula for the derivative of a constant times the power of x. So we have a times 5 times x, and I have 5 minus 1 minus 5c times 3, okay, this is my constant, times the exponent 3, and I have x 3 minus 1, okay? So I have a times 5 is 5a, x to the fourth power minus 5 times 3 is 15 c x to the second power. And this is the solution to my problem.